participants' side, and the other two are on stage already!
You're entering the contest, right? Here, put these on.
No, actually, I'm one of the pro bladers, so...
This way, it's about to start.
Hey, masked one. My defeat against you was an experience I learned a great deal from. And for that, you have my thanks. Because of you, I have reached even higher heights as a king.
Oh yeah? By training or something?
Does a lion in the wild need to train?
He was absolutely training a ton.
Don't undermine his moment.
But anyway, the baby bird's taking his time to get here. I want to see him do that tweet, tweet, tweet thing again.
Robin, what could you possibly be doing now?